Tanks and armoured vehicles are often covered in all sorts of grab handles, rings and tie-down loops. These are often supplied as injection-moulded items in your model kits. However, they are generally fragile and don't always look realistic. Making replacement items from wire is a better solution, but getting the correct size and shape of part is tricky. Here are two tools that will help. They're made by the American company The Small Shop. The first is the Wrangler, which is sold under reference SMS008 and labelled as a wire forming tool. Using the Wrangler, you can make loops, rings and even springs, as well as grab handles. SMS013 is their Wire Assist, which can be used to make matched grab handles time after time. Both are precision manufactured from high-grade aluminium. The Wire Assist is anodised, whilst the Wrangler is polished. The Wrangler has 17 possible diameters. The Wire Assist, meanwhile, has several cutouts that make up the bending comb. As a result, you'll be able to make handles of different sizes. With both tools, the manufacturer recommends you don't use hard wire. Hard wire will damage the tool. Use soft copper wire instead for the best results. For medium hardness wire, anneal it first so it can be easily bent. This involves heating it with a flame until red hot. After annealing, it should be able to be bent easily without damaging the tool. So how do you use them? Firstly, take some of your soft copper wire. Measure the distance or size of the handle you require. Choose the corresponding stop on the tool and lock the wire in place, making sure it sits straight. You can then carefully bend each side. You can now clip to size. Do the same to make rings or loops. Repeat the process as often as you like to make multiple loops or rings of different thicknesses. Another plus point is that you can also make springs. When it comes to the Wire Assist, simply take the wire. Using the bending comb, you can make perfectly matching grab handles over and over again. Choose the width of comb cutout that best suits your handle and insert the wire. Press firmly on the top to square the edges and pull down on the wire to pull everything into shape. Here we're simply using our fingers. You can then cut the item. Repeat as often as necessary. Neat and precisely replicated handles are easy with the Wire Assist and the Wrangler tools from The Small Shop. So start to make better grab handles for your creations today.